Okay, howdy. So let's see, what do we have today here? Tuna melt. Tuna melt. Oh, one of my favorites actually. Yes, get a good canned tuna, not this cheap crap. So where you have really good meat. Yes, and then dry it. You want to keep it dry because this way it breaks in smaller pieces and it can nicely absorb your mayonnaise and your other ingredients. We have a list here of the ingredients you put in. Of course, it's optional. Whatever you prefer, whatever you like. Do not forget the salt. Gordon Ramsay, go with salt. Always season. Lemon, yes. Nice squeezed lemon until the last drop. Mix it up. Yes, combine it nicely. That is very important. Okay, I would add a little bit more mayonnaise, but it's optional. He could hear me. Yes. Then heat it up. Give it some flavor. Why not? That's a good idea. Oh my goodness, it looks delicious already. Then toast your bread. And the real bread, not the square white gummy bread. Beautiful. That is what I call a tuna melt. Yes, cheese, cheese, cheese. Ooh, I love cheese. Press a little bit, let it melt, and let's take a look. What comes? What you think? I would say delicious, and that's why I go and do my one now.